Friends, I take this opportunity to introduce our chairman, Ms. Sonia Bonfiglioli, our CEO, Mr. Foster.
It's a really pleasure to be here after the last conference that we did, I think, 1 year and a half ago. So we have a lot of new things to communicate to you. First of all, I would like to give a very warm welcome to Ravi, our new independent board of director member, and we are really proud to have him part of our board because we are a multinational company with historical presence here in India. So for us to have an independent board member, it's with his experience, it's really important also for the next development of the company. I will give only some, they all changed, and it was possible to start with 100 foreign company. That's where we started. It was a fantastic experience. I remember in that year I was walking with a lot of saris around India. I found Chennai a fantastic land to start. And in that period we did the first phase.
A few very warm and important words about our involvement in India, and I totally underline and totally share the feeling. For us at Bonfiglioli, India is a very important piece of our history and of our future. It's a country where we are working since 20 years, and it's a country where we feel at home. And I think this is due especially also to the fact that we have been able to develop locally a fairly large percentage. We are a European born company.
Offer the equipment, by far we are the market leader in segments we operate like concrete, rock. You take any sectors where we operate, we are the market leader. This has happened with continuous effort from our team and constant support from our headquarters. This is our growth story in terms of revenue.
We are here today to announce a very large investment of Bonfiglioli. We are expanding our facility, which is already existing since 20 years here in Tamil Nadu, and this will give more opportunities of growth for Indian market and also to export products from India. We as Bonfiglioli Group believe India is a wonderful country for being in, but also is a great place for manufacturing product for the world. We have taken a long time to invest, to generate this capacity, and now we want to fully leverage this opportunity. Mr. Kennedy, our local country manager, will be leading this new project for us, and we trust and we are totally sure that he will accomplish the mission with great success.
If you look at our leadership team, it's completely Indian. So that gives me a lot of proud moment to what we accomplished so far. We grew from a small company to now more than 120 million euro company, which is giving a significant revenue to my parent company in terms of share of business. And we are now become a significant footprint for Bonfiglioli Group over the years, and that makes us very proud. And this is a moment of proud for us announcing this new expansion, which is a state-of-art facility, including state-of-art assembly cells, machinings, heat treatment, and painting booth. You will love what you see. Thank you.